Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday led the celebrations of the 10th International Day of Yoga from Jammu and Kashmir, an event that has received massive national and global attention, in which the location plays no small part. This year's theme, Yoga for Self and Society, emphasizes yoga's vital role in fostering individual well-being and social harmony. PM Modi congratulated all Indians and those doing yoga in every corner of the world and said the world is witnessing a new yoga economy going forward for the last 10 years.
बीते 10 वर्षों में योग का ये जो विस्तार हुआ है, उससे योग से जुड़ी धारणाएं बदली हैं। योग अब सीमित दायरे से बाहर निकल रहा है। आज दुनिया एक नई योग इकोनॉमी को आगे बढ़ने में देख रही है। आप देखिए, भारत में ऋषिकेश, काशी से लेकर केरला तक योग टूरिज्म का नया ट्रेंड देखने को मिल रहा है। दुनिया भर से टूरिस्ट इसलिए भारत आ रहे हैं क्योंकि उन्हें भारत में ऑथेंटिक योग सीख रहा है।
Meanwhile, thousands of yoga enthusiasts and practitioners also performed exercises and meditated across India, while Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar performed yoga with foreign diplomats in Delhi. Navy personnel did asanas at sea. Jaishankar said that yoga has been a great bonding point for different cultures when it comes to building international relations.
So it was fantastic to be here in Delhi, actually able to practice yoga on International Yoga Day with Dr. Jaishankar. I mean, both myself and my deputy are regular yoga practices, and so actually to be here with all the diplomatic corps was fantastic. I think it really is India's gift.
The Indian diplomatic missions across the world, including in Nepal, the US and Japan, also held yoga sessions to create awareness about the importance and benefits of yoga in today's life. The United Nations declared June 21st as International Day of Yoga in 2014, adopting a measure proposed by PM Modi.